This beautiful beach in South Africa isn't famous for people. It's home to more than 3,000 African penguins. What's even more surprising, humans didn't bring them here. A pair of African penguins chose Boulder's beach in 1982, and the colony grew naturally. The beach gets its name from these giant granite boulders. Some of them are over 500 million years old. Don't let their funny walk fool you. African penguins can zoom through the water at speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour. And yes, you can actually swim alongside wild penguins here. Boulder's Beach is one of the very few places on Earth where humans and penguins share the same beach. Would you swim with penguins? Like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos.